Right, we've got Trump Trade Special Situations live for the Great Investments Program. Now, remember, what counts as a special situation will be ones which can at least get 42% over the next 12 months on the projection of an existing upward trend or a previous trend. That's what my team are looking for. What we're also looking for is, can the stop loss be reasonably put at 20%, the point at which you would know, the nearest point to entry at which you would know that it is improbable to do the upward move, because of course if it was going to do the upward move, then it wouldn't have dropped to that level. So yes, we can do a 20% there. We've got a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, so that fits in as well. We look at the moving averages, short and medium term, and they're also in the right direction. So that would qualify. Plus, I look at my proprietary value, growth, income, cash flow, Sortino Alpha. If you want to know what the company does, we've included that in there as well. So if you're on the Great Investment Program, look at all the latest ones I've put. And also, what counts as a Trump one was the fact that it shot up since he was elected, so in the last week or so. Of course, there's other information here. I'm less concerned about any of these factors which come in. Anyway, there's a whole lot more on the program. It's structured in a way whereby you've got time duration, you've got profit, you've got stop loss, you've got value, growth, income, all those criteria that I put in the program. So it really mitigates that risk. It is not enough to just say, oh, buy this stock, tick a box. You've got to know duration, you've got to know risk, you've got to know downside, you've got to have multiple upside to downside as well. Of course, because it's a special situation on the program, you can simply just put a stop at 25% as well. But that's the manual one if you wanted to go manual and override the automatic 25%. Peace of mind, don't look at it then for 12 months, because you know, time, duration, target, boom. Whichever of those three things happens first, whether the time is up, the profits hit, or the stops hit, one of those three things, whichever happens first, that's when you exit. Peace of mind is the idea. And so that's an example with that particular company. Got a load more we've given there, and we've therefore looked at the fundamentals, the balance sheet, the cash flow statement. How have we done that? Well, that's incorporated in the value, growth, income, cash flow 8 scoring. And we've also looked at the statistical analysis of the company and its share price movements, and also the technical or share price movements as well. Because if you ignore any information, then you're more gambling than if you don't ignore the information. Anyway, like and follow for more. There'll be a lot more coming on both this channel, but if, as I say, you're on the Great Investments Program, and if you're not, have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links to jump on before we close. Thank you.